So today I'm going to try to make Lara Croft's holster, and I didn't have a gray tank top, so Laura decided to go colorful today. So start by cutting a U shape out of some 3mm craft foam, and you'll cut 2 of those, and then you'll trace around the outside of your gun, leaving a fair amount of space around the outside of it. And you'll cut out 4 of those pieces. Then lay your gun back down on one of them and draw a diagonal line across it. You'll cut 2 of them like that, and the pieces will go together to make a sandwich for the gun. So then get some fake black leather, and this stuff has a fabric side, and then the outside kind of looks like leather, and it's nice and stretchy. So you'll lay a piece down on the fabric side of that, and you'll cut around it about 1 inch. And anywhere where it curves inward, you'll make a cut so the edges can fold up easily. And then just take some hot glue and go along the outside of it and fold the edges up around it. And do that to all the other pieces as well. And so then you'll take the short pieces, and you're just going to glue all the way around the edges except for along the curved edge. You'll glue along the edges and leave the curved edge open and glue it to the bigger piece underneath so that your gun can slip right inside of there. So then I got a belt, and you want to take the 2 U-shapes and glue them onto the belt. You'll glue one close to the buckle, and then you'll glue one over on the other side. And then at the bottom of each of the U-shapes, you'll glue one of the holster pieces. And then I got 2 smaller belts, and I glued one onto the bottom of each holster piece. And then these weren't actually on her belt, but I added them for stability. They're just paper fasteners, and I poked holes through any place where they connected, except the very bottom because I couldn't fit one through there. I did it over on the other side too, and it just holds everything together a little better. And so then I cut the belt off to make it shorter and drilled some extra holes, and I'll just wrap around the leg and fasten around each leg. Did one on each side. And then slide the gun just slides right into there. Just using airsoft guns here. And I left the buckle the way it was because I kind of liked it. Hers was actually rectangular, so if you wanted to do that, you could just cut a piece out of cardstock and paint it gold. And now, how many of you did this to Laura at least once in the game? Be honest.